Alright, currently at my old high school with John. And today, we're going to be introducing a new car to the family. John's car. Right there. Twins.
Twin 86s, bro.
I wish we had 86s.
These are 86s.
Yeah, tell them about your car, dude. When did you get it? How did you get it?
So I got this about a week ago. It looks pretty good for the most part, but there's a couple of scuffs I want to fix up. You see right here, I bought it like that.
Oof, yikes.
Easy fix, I think, hopefully.
Body shop, dude.
There's a little scratch right here, and kind of actually goes over here. Hey, don't get a close up though, bro. And then this part I want to get fixed too, but it wasn't a deal breaker for me. It came with an aftermarket exhaust. It's an NVIDIA. I don't know which one.
You still haven't found out yet?
You look down and it says NVIDIA.
Yeah.
I don't know which one it is though. It came with it.
Definitely louder than mine, I think. We haven't tested it yet, right? No.
And it came with the. Let me pop this in.
What you got under here, dude? Turbo?
Boom, baby. Came with a Perrin, I think that's how you say it.
Yeah, Perrin.
Cold air intake.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's cold air intake. I don't know the difference. But other than that, it's stock.
Bone stock. Both of these cars are bone stock, not for long.
And the best part about this is that my driver's side window closes automatically.
Oh yeah, fuck off, dude. So what are we gonna do today? I'm actually not sure, but we're just kind of in this little spot right here.
We just wanted to introduce my car since I got it.
How many miles does it have on it?
54,000.
Yeah, mine came with what, 60 something?
Oh yeah, and it has this long ass. It also has this long ass fucking mirror.
Oh yeah.
That I want to get rid of. They took out the stock sun visors, stock rear view mirror. I want the OEM back. But I'm more of an OEM guy for the most part, other than wheels and tires. But like, I want it mostly OEM parts.
Look at this view though, dude.
Clean.
Man, me and John started working at Wetzel's like 2 years ago. Well, I started 2 years ago.
I was like a year and a half.
We started talking about cars like a year ago. I thought I was gonna end up with a Miata. I don't know what he was gonna end up with.
I thought I was gonna let me out too.
And here we are with fucking 2013 Scion FRSs.
Clean.
It's pretty cool.
Dude, my shit look clean on the camera. What the fuck?
It does. Start it up, dude, so they can hear your
Oh, yeah, we can do that.
obnoxious exhaust.
Your exhaust sticks out further than mine.
And it's bigger.
And it's bigger. You got a bigger hole.
And it hangs.
Looser. You got a looser hole.
Is that a cop? No.
No.
Shit's loud, dude. It's so much. Okay, mine's louder, like idle, but driving yours is so much louder.
Dude, this sounds kind of quiet now, but I think it's because the car is warm.
Yeah.
Should I rev it up a couple?
Go ahead, dude.
Alright, do yours now.
Should I?
So
Alright.
we can get like comparison on the video. Alright, get it, bro. Hey, don't rev too high because I'm in the back.
Alright, so that is it for this video. Just wanted to introduce John's car. Super excited for the future now.
Yeah, and you guys heard it here first. My car's gonna be way cleaner.
Yeah, right. You said you're keeping your stock, dude. I'm a fucking wide body. My shit.
You're in wide body, but you're broke, so it's gonna be unpainted half the time. Mine is gonna be nice and clean the whole time.
Yeah, it was.
I'm not saying stock, I'm saying OEM parts.
Oh, okay. But yeah,
OEM and real authentic parts.
this is like a dream though, dude. A dream come true.
Yeah.
We both got our cars. Who would have known? Super happy. And this just creates more content for the future. So we'll see you guys next time.
Later.
Peace.